Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, girl, it is going to be 20 random personal facts about me. I'm gonna go super deep into depth with all 20 of my facts. So, oh, this is so fun. You guys get to know a little bit more about me and I get to share all the tea with you. So just keep on watching. If you guys don't already know, I upload every single week. Looking for a video every single week. Hey, let's get started. By the way, if you're digging my hair, I have a hair tutorial on this look right here. I'll go ahead and link it down below. If you guys want to see how to get this look, you know what to do. All right, I have it all written in my notes tab. Just because 20 facts about me, that's kind of a lot to remember. Since I probably have like 200, I had to jot it down. So first fact about me is I am 21 years old. I was born in 1997, so I'm a 90s baby. And my birthday is in June. So that goes into the second fact that I'm a Gemini. A lot of people are like, oh girl, you're a Gemini. I'm like, you obviously haven't met the right Geminis in your life, girl. I love being a Gemini. Like, I am fun, outgoing, talkative, and I so believe in zodiac signs, like to the T. I can already sense what type of sign you are just from like talking to you. I'd be like, are you a Taurus? And they'd be like, yeah, and I'm like, that makes sense. By the way, I love Taurus. Fact number 3. I am a pretty freaking tall girl. I am 5'9.5". Yes, I had to put that half in because I grew half an inch in the past like year. Well, I don't know why I'm still growing. Like, I shouldn't be growing. Like, I'm good. I don't need to grow anymore. When I was growing up, I was always the freaking tallest person in the class. Always. Never has there been a time other than like high school when guys actually hit puberty and were starting to have growth spurts was I becoming shorter-ish. But you know, majority of the time people would be like, how tall are you? I'm like, I'm 5'9". Fact number 4, I have a freaking mug obsession, you guys. Every time I go into the store and I pass by the mugs, my mom already knows. She's like, you're not buying anymore. Like, you already have 37 in your cabinet. We don't need any more weight. And I'm like, it's hard. You guys, one day I will literally show you guys my mug collection. It's so freaking cute. I love mugs so much. I cannot get enough. Like, it's seriously an addiction. Every time I see a mug, I'm like, I need it. And I literally have to talk myself out of it just so I don't buy it. Like, name the mug, I probably have it. Like, no joke. I literally have probably almost 40 mugs. It's insane, I know, but I just can't. They're like my little babies. Fact number 5. If you guys didn't watch my first mukbang of the big Pizza Hut and everything, I forgot the name, what is it called? The Big Deal Box or whatever it's called. I talked about in that video how I literally have a cheese phobia. Like, I cannot with cheese. Like, ew. But this is the thing. This is when people are like, but you love pizza. I understand, but pizza is mozzarella. It's melted. Doesn't smell that bad. Like, it's mixed with other ingredients. If I see cheese in solid form, like, I will literally sit on the other side of the freaking table, and everyone knows that. And everyone, just to piss me off, they're like, oh, you want some cheese? And I'm like, girl, don't play with me. I just can't. Like, even dairy products, but mostly it's cheese. Like, I haven't had milk in God knows how many freaking years. I get like kind of freaked out from like sour cream and yogurts and stuff. I don't know, man. If it's like solid like that, it just freaks me out. I don't know. I think it's a smell, or I don't know what it is. I can't. But if it's like mixed, like ice cream has like milk in it or whatever, but that's fine because there's like sugar, there's like other stuff, you know, just solid form. No. And that leads me to my 6th fact. I love pizza. Pizza is my freaking favorite food ever. I can eat it 17 times a day and you won't hear one complaint from me. Pizza is so good. Like, we have thin crust, we have pan tossed, we have deep dish, we have stuffed crust. Oh, it's just so good. I love it so much. I can eat it forever and ever. Fact number 7. I have had the same 2 best friends for literally my whole entire life. I'm the type of girl that has a small group, but a good group. I am acquainted with a lot of people. I know a lot of people. But my BFFs, Erica, Kathy, I've had my first best friend since the first day of first grade, girl. So it's been freaking more than 15 years. And my second best friend is Kathy, and I've had her in my life. Ooh, she sounds like my girlfriend, but she kind of is. I've had her in my life for like, 8 years? I'm thinking, yeah. Pretty long time. And Christina. And that's another thing, like sometimes I don't get when people have like 7 best friends. I'm like, whoa, that is a lot of people. How can you tell like the tea to 7 different people and like not get tired or make plans? Girl, I barely make plans with best friends and it takes a damn minute, okay? Like how can you keep up? I cannot. I just like, you know, quality better than quantity. Fact number 8. I have had an obsession with Justin Bieber. You guys have no idea. Since 2009 to be specific. Before he was Justin Bieber, he was Kid Raoul on YouTube. I literally knew where he was born, what time he was born, where he would buy his like shirts from. Like I was low-key stalker. I went to every freaking concert he had, every single thing. Like I had to be there. I had a whole freaking wall, not this one, but the one in front of me, covered in Justin Bieber like posters. I would cut him out of magazines, post it on my wall. I had this one phase where I would listen to Everything's Gonna Be Alright every night. I would literally cry myself to sleep from how beautiful he was. And speaking of crying yourself to sleep, I would literally watch so many of One Less Lonely Girl videos. If you guys don't know what that is, it's when Justin Bieber picks one girl from his entire arena concert and brings her on stage and sings to her. I would literally watch them and cry. And I legit thought they had like some type of plan. They would pick a girl from like section 102, seat 35. So I would literally watch every single video and be like, where are they sitting? What song were they picked during? Where did they go? Like, I was crazy. I was so obsessed with Justin Bieber that in college I literally had a speech, a communications class, and I made a speech about Justin Bieber. And I literally changed everyone's opinion on them. Every time people would be like, Justin Bieber, ew, oh my god, he's such a this, a that. Girl, after that speech I gave, everyone was like, oh wow, good points, good points. I went to the freaking extent of making a speech. Like, I wish he was there to see. He'd be so proud. And then I grew up. I'm still obsessed with him. I love him. But now my mature obsession is Maluma. Girl. And I've met him. Oh, if you guys want to watch my experience meeting him, I will also link that down below. Fact number 9. For those of you who have gone to elementary with me or middle school with me, know that I love to sing. I started singing since I was like 4 years old. I haven't been like that open about it on this channel because I feel like that's kind of random because I'm very like beauty lifestyle blogger. But you never know, I probably might even start some covers in this channel. For those of you who know me from middle school or elementary school, you guys probably remember I would legit stop the class and be like, I want to sing. If I just felt like it, I'm like, well, we're done with our lesson. We have 15 minutes of free time where we could play with the puzzles or do a coloring thingy, my bobber. Well, guess what? Everyone stop. I'ma perform and entertain y'all. And I legit do that. I did that all through elementary and middle school. And I also went to like singing competitions and like, I remember our elementary school had this one lip singing competition and I'm very like dramatic. So I thought, hello, I'm gonna sign into that real quick. Out of literally 100 different elementary, middle school, high school, I got second place out of all those damn people. First place was this guy. He was so good. He was like this cute little kid who was doing Usher, Let It Burn, and he started like stripping his clothes off. He was like 7, so it was cute. And I did an Alicia Keys No One, and my set was cut short. I didn't know that it had to be 1 minute and 30 seconds long, and I literally had this whole thing choreographed for a 3-minute song, and it literally stopped, and I went with it. It was pretty cool. I don't know if I have my trophy, but it was fun. So yeah, I love singing. That's like my passion. I always wanted to be like a singer all my life. To me, it's so far-fetched. I feel like you have to know people in the industry and stuff like that. Those people who are pursuing a career in singing and stuff, I am so supportive of them because I know how freaking difficult it is. I connect with music differently, you guys. And dancing. I love dancing. I'm dancing like 23.5 hours out of the day. I'm just a very like music-y, artsy person. Yeah. That's another fact. Fact number 10. When I was in middle school especially, I loved playing flag football. If it was a team with all guys, they would always freaking pick me because I was so good. I'm so competitive, and it's kind of like a very aggressive game, and like I'm kind of aggressive. So I like freaking move. I like go through them, snatch their flags, run to the other side. Like I love that. It's very physical, like aggressive. This sounds so bad, but like, you know what I mean. I love flag football. That was literally one of my favorite freaking sports when it was PE time. They said, it's flag football week. I said, yes. 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 I love it. Fact number 11. I love working out. You guys, the gym is my therapy. Like I literally go there, put my phone in my locker, lock it, and go into like this zen therapy, shut off from the world. Like I literally go there if I'm having a bad day. I'm like, all right, peace out guys, I'm going to the gym. You really sweat out your stress, and on top of that, you feel good and look good. So it's like a win-win situation. And I don't go there just because I'm stressed. Like, yeah, people have stress days, but I'm not stressed 24 hours in the day. I go there to actually, you know, healthy myself up. I'm pretty healthy. Like I'm pretty healthy. Besides the pizza part. Like if I cut out my pizza part, I think I'd be like 90% really healthy. I just love working out. It's so fun and like physical. Like I don't know. I just love that. I love that. Fact number 12. I am a night person. I am not a freaking morning person. I almost had to burp, but I held that in. Did you guys notice? I'm not a freaking morning person. Like if I wake up, do not talk to me for 1 hour. No. I will either explode on you or not talk. A girl just can't. Like I cannot in the morning. But that's kind of weird because I love running errands in the morning, but I just hate waking up. Like the waking up part is crucial. I love sleeping all day. You guys, I can sleep forever. That's my favorite thing to do. If I'm not doing this, that, I'm probably sleeping. Like, oh, I just love it. Even just like laying in my bed and watching a Netflix series or watching weird conspiracy stories. Like, I just love that. Just laying in bed all cozy. Yeah, I'm a home type of girl. I'm not too much like, let's go out here, let's go out there. I get tired. Like, I get tired, yo. I want to go into my bed and just like change it to my pajamas and chill. Fact number 13. When I do go out, I love going to concerts. Concerts are my favorite thing to do, you guys. I am on like every freaking concert mailing page. When an artist is on tour, I get the email. I just love going, and it also ties back to my passion for music. I just love watching people perform, and I'm just like, yes, do your thing, girl. You just enjoy the scene and the music and everything. I just love concerts. My favorite place to be. Fact number 14. Not only do I do makeup, some hair, dance, sing, workout, I also love cooking. I just give myself like the biggest conceit, like I do this, I do that. No, but seriously, I love cooking. I make so many different type of dishes. You guys, cooking series coming soon. I'ma share the dopest recipes the yummiest foods and desserts. Desserts. I make some good freaking desserts, okay? If you know me, you'll know that. You'll know that fact. Fact number 15. When I was growing up, I had like the biggest crush on Simon Cowell. People are like, what the hell is wrong with you? You guys, I thought he was so freaking cute. I don't know what it was. Like, his so upfront, what the bloody hell type of personality. I don't know, man. Like, every time he would come up to the TV, I'd be like, oh my god, he's so cute. Like, I really like this man. My dad would be like, you know, he's like my age. I'm like, I guess I'm into older men. Like, shit. That's funny because my fiance is literally 2 years older than me, but he is like a 50-year-old. For those of you who know him, know what I mean. Fact number 16. The first thing I notice on a person is their teeth. First thing, you guys. I love teeth so much. I don't look at your eyes, I don't look at your nose, I don't look at your body shape. I look at your teeth. I have an obsession over teeth. They have to be white, they have to be perfect, like straight. I love it. I love teeth so much. Simon Cowell has good teeth. Maybe that's why I like him. I don't know. Fact number 17. I am obviously not shy or socially awkward. I've always been this way. Like, I've always been center of attention doing something, like freaking dance battle, like in the middle of the freaking cafeteria. I don't know, man. I just love being like fun and talking to people, and I don't know, I just never have ever been shy. And you know what's so funny? The way people are when they're around like 2, 3, like 4 years old, super young, their personalities never change. Like, I swear. I was always like outgoing, like wanting to do something, perform, and I'm still like that. It hasn't changed, and that's so crazy. Fact number 18. This is super personal, but I just found out that I have 4 nipples. What? Yes. You guys, when I was growing up, I had like 2 dots like right below my breast area, and I was like, what are those? Are those like birthmarks or what? And then one day, like in I think middle school, I saw a picture of Harry Styles, and you know how he has 4 nipples, and I was like, wait, that looks familiar. And then recently when I went to the doctor, he was like checking me. He's like, you know, these are nipples, right? And I was like, I knew it. I freaking knew it. They're nipples, right? He's like, yeah, when you get pregnant, like they're gonna get darker too. I'm like, damn, that's crazy. I might as well show you guys. Like, it's nothing like, oh my god, nipples. Like, they literally look like dots, but I'm gonna show you. It is this and that. They're like up and down. Yeah, those are my 2 accessory nipples. Fact number 19. I've only had 1 boyfriend, and that boyfriend, we are like gonna get married. So, isn't that cute? He was my first everything basically, and so was I to him. Isn't that cool? Like, he was my first official boyfriend, and I was his first official girlfriend, and like everything of ours is our first together. How cute. Fact number 20, to wrap this all up, I have a very high spice tolerance. I love spicy food, and I literally, like, when we're out eating or someone discovers like a new hot sauce, they're like, oh my god, try it, you gotta try it. I try it and nothing happens. They're like, what the hell is wrong with you? Your intestines are made out of steel or something. I don't know. I just love spicy food. Like, I'm salivating as we speak. I need water. I love spicy food so much. Everything like I love is spicy. You know the spicy noodle challenge? I legit eat that for fun. Like, I eat that because it tastes so good, and people are out here dying. For real, I eat that. Like, I can't even do the challenge because I'd be lying to you guys. I legit eat that from like the Asian market. I go and I buy it, and it's so good. And yeah, this wraps up my 20 facts about me. I hope you guys feel closer and got to know me a little bit better. I've been wanting to do like a facts video for such a long time, and also a question and answer. If you guys have questions and want to know the answer, leave a comment down below, and I will take those questions and accumulate them all together and make a Q&A video for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this 20 random facts about me, and of course don't forget to like, share, comment, and of course don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with all my latest videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.